Hello guys, in this video we're highlighting the Mirka DEROS 650CV, a direct electric random orbital sander perfect for dust-free or dustless sanding on all kinds of surfaces. This unit will definitely add value to your services. Your customers will see your professionalism and ability to work quickly and effectively. Plus, with dustless technology, they'll appreciate that you care about their health as it means no more dust clouds in the room. This sander is designed to be used with vacuum extractors, such as Mirka extractors, to keep your workspace clean and dust-free. This sander is ergonomic, easy to hold, and lighter than similar products from competitors. It features a powerful brushless motor that keeps a constant speed, even under heavy loads. This sander features around 150mm head where the abrasive is attached. If needed, it can be replaced with 125mm one. It also has an oscillation feature, making the sanding process more efficient, easy and fast. You can choose between 3.5mm, 5mm and 8mm orbital movements to fit your needs. With its compact and ergonomic design, it's incredibly easy to handle and use. The Mirka DEROS 650CV also has the lowest vibration levels in its class and a unique symmetrical design, which helps you use it for longer periods without getting tired. For more information and to see the full range of options, please refer to the product description section.